How to change currency on Solflare Wallet. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open the Solflare Wallet on your device. After you do that, you can back up your account or else you can wait for the skip option. So after that, what you need to do to change your currency is first of all click on the settings or the gear icon on the bottom right hand side. Then you can find General. Under General Settings, you can easily find currency. So the default currency is US dollar. Besides that, you can see a lot of languages and a lot of currencies. You can just go ahead and select the currency of your choice or your residence. After you go back, you can just go ahead and test it. Just go ahead and tap on Buy Sol, tap on Continue, and as you can see that the currency might be changed, or else you can just go ahead and close the app and do this again. So this is how easy it is to change the currency on the Solflare Wallet app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.